In this video, we will show you how to create a bootable USB drive using Ventoy and install both Windows 11 and Ubuntu. We will walk you through the entire process, from downloading the ISO files to booting from the USB drive and completing the installation. Whether you're building a new PC or looking to upgrade your current system, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to get your Windows OS up and running. Remember, you can put any multiple ISO files to your Ventoy USB as long as you have enough space in your USB drive. Go to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page, find the link in this video description. Go to Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO, for x64 devices. Select the ISO file you need to download. Click on the Download Now button. Choose the language you want and click Confirm. I will select English United States. Select the 32-bit or 64-bit download based on your computer's architecture and click. The ISO file will start downloading automatically. You can monitor the progress of the download in your browser's download manager. Remember, links valid for 24 hours from time of creation, so download the ISO file before the link expire. Like that, download ISO files that you need. I already downloaded the Ubuntu ISO file. I will add the link to download Ubuntu ISO file in the video description. And also I will add the link to Ventoy download page. Download the Windows zip that is 15 MB. Download it and extract the files. Now let's start to create the bootable USB drive. Go to the Extract Ventoy files and run the Ventoy 2 disk. Now connect the USB drive you need to install Ventoy. I will recommend 16 GB pen drive, because usually Windows 11 ISO file is 6.34 GB, and the Ubuntu ISO file is 4.69 GB. After connecting USB drive, if the Ventoy 2 disk is not detecting the drive, click the refresh button and it will detect the pen drive. After selecting the USB drive, click Install. In here select Yes. Congratulations! You have created a Ventoy USB drive successfully. Now let's add the Windows 11 and Ubuntu ISO files to the pen drive. Copy and paste the ISO files into the USB drive. That's it, your multi-OS bootable pen drive is now ready. When you boot the USB drive, you will get a screen like this. In here select the ISO file you need to boot. By clicking arrow up and down buttons you can navigate the ISO files. Select the ISO file and click Enter button. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you have any problems related to this video. Also don't forget to share. Let's meet up in another video.